Hi, I'm Cheryl Eisen of Interior Marketing Group. Today I'm giving you an inside look at an iconic piece of fashion history, and it's full of hidden surprises. Welcome to this incredible neo-Gothic Gramercy Park townhome. This home was once owned by the late great fashion designer Oleg Cassini, Jackie O's favorite. Currently on the market for the first time in 50 years, this home has a rich history spanning from Europe to Old New York to where we stand today. We wanted to infuse a contemporary vibe to complement, not clash, with this home's rich, original architecture. We wanted it to be a journey where history meets fashion and design, and that journey begins here in the foyer. We went with curved pieces like this circular mirror and this leather-wrapped IMG console. And this round entry table juxtaposes beautifully with the linear wall detail and the Flemish patterned stone floor that leads into the great room. This great room is the show-stopping centerpiece of the home. The room features these soaring barrel-vaulted ceilings with the most intricate filigree plasterwork. The walls are paneled in this handsome old-growth hardwood that we decked out with these modern sconces and original artwork. And check out this incredible 7-foot stone fireplace. We placed this large cream silk area rug and flanked these uniquely shaped gray sofas on either end. And you can't miss this stunning stained glass wall, which leads to a Crystal Palace-style garden with a working fountain. Just imagine your morning coffee out there, and for happy hour, there's even a secret wine cellar. This is a room for the biggest of parties and the quietest of evenings. All of the floors of this home are connected by this beautiful ornate staircase, and I just love it. One of the more unique features of this home is this mezzanine level, which looks down over the great room. We've designed this space to be brighter by incorporating these romantic sconces, light carpet, and a whitewashed live-edge dining table, which we surrounded with these lovely linen chairs. I also love how the geometric lines in the art pay homage to the pattern in the stained glass windows. And these mirrors that we place on the paneling make the room feel even larger and reflect the light from the windows. Now, won't you follow me upstairs to the bedroom? We designed this room to be sexy and moody, with just the right amount of drama. Sensual textures like a flocati rug and cashmere throws, along with the plush headboard and chenille pillows, play beautifully with the original details, like the original paneling, stained glass wall of windows, and a wood-burning fireplace. This is a place you're going to want to surrender to. We've designed this dressing room to be a tribute to the home's fashion legacy. Isn't this velvet chaise lounge the perfect place to recline once you've finally decided on what to wear? And luxuriate on the Mongolian fur chair as you get ready at this oversized vanity. Like the dining room, we hung a wall of mirrors. Just another chance to make sure everything's looking good before heading out for the night. Thank you for joining me in this magnificent townhome, a place where you can truly own a piece of New York and fashion history.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.